Today I'm trying to install a security door, and there are a few basic things you need to have to install it. And let's take a look. The basic thing you need to have to install the security door: the lever to level the door. When you install it, you need a pencil to mark. The bolt came with to secure the door to the wall. Take measure, drill bit, a drill, and some people need a wood block or several wood block to raise the door to the right level. And for my case, I do something differently. I will show you later. In addition to what I show you, these are the things I have for my project. Aluminum bar is an L shape. And I bought my own bowl. Instead of using the one came with the security door, some concrete paper, and two card jack. I'm going to show you why I need this for my project. The reason I picked my own bowl instead of the other one: first, it's smaller in size, easier to drill. Second, look at the top, and I can always reverse it. This one is non-reversible. Look at that, only one way it is. So here, the security door I tried to install, and you see down there. So here you see the wood block, and when you watch other people's video, you try to put different wood, power it up to raise the security door to the level of the door they want to put on. And no matter how different wood that you put, it's not going to adjust to the level you want. I have a different way. I'm going to show you that it'll be a lot easier to adjust it to the level you want. It'll be perfect the way you want. Let me show you. So here I'm using two car jack, one on each side, this side, and this side, and make sure the one you adjust it pointing outside, the same as this one here pointing outside. Then I'm using an aluminum bar like that. Put on top of it and move it closed. Then I move the aluminum bar close against the wall of the door and make it like this. Then I'm going to put security door on top of this. Let me show you. Okay, after this, I'm going to put two concrete paper to push it against the two card jet. Make sure it won't slide out. Here you see the door is not level. You see the gap here, and then let me show you on top. See that the door is not level. So how do you level it? Let me show you. So you can turn this to raise it up. You turn it clockwise, not counterclockwise. Counterclockwise is to push it down. Clockwise is push it up. So you turn it clockwise. You see that you push up the door. Now you see, before and after. Now you've raised the door up. So here you see the door is not level. You can tell right there. Zoom in. Now I'm going to adjust the car jack to make it level. Now it is level. Now this is how you level the door the way you want. And I purposely put the door knob on, so make sure that it won't interfere with the doorknob of the other door. You can see it doesn't interfere with anything, and you won't hit the inside door knob. So that's just one of the key thing you want to make sure before you put the door in. So here is looking from the inside, and the door handle right there, and you can close it with no problem. So the door handle does not interfere with the doorknob here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drill 3 holes to fit into my 1/4 inch bowl. This one is too big. Oh, I don't like it, so I'm going to drill 1 hole here, 1 over there, and then 1 here to fit my 1/4 inch bowl. Next, just get a bigger size drill bit, and just keep going until you're done. The door is all level now. Next thing I need to do is to drill hole to the wall and secure the door. So now I'm drilling pilot hole through the wall now. So I'm drilling hole in all of those now. Getting the 316 drill bit. So after I drill all the pilot hole, now I'm putting this in. And this one comes with the this part, so I can screw this in here. I'm putting the middle one first. bottom, this part. That's it, wait. Okay, next thing to do is remove the support. For my case, because I have that thing on the top, so I have to install this first, and I have to drill my own hole because the original one, see that, is way in the middle of nowhere, so I cannot install it on the wall. I have to drill my own hole on both sides in order to install it to here on both sides. So I'm going to install this part first. Okay, this is what I did. I drilled a hole on the wall. Now I'm going to put this in. I'm going to put this in. The same way I screw those in. Now I'm going to install this part. So I will make sure that these two holes matches the two holes here. So I have to remove the screw from this to take this out. It's the same way I install the door. Use the same thing to raise up the bar to measure it. Trying to make sure the hole right there matches it. The one on the top, the one at the bottom. Okay, so that's it match. It's all set. Here's the side. Here's the front. Okay, there are a few things need to be considered. The door itself, here to here, 32 inch. Okay, the security door from here to here, 32 inch. So some people center the door from here to the end of the other side, which is not right, because if you center the door from here all the way to here, then you will have a big gap when you open the door, the big gap between this pole and the door. There's a big gap here, see that? So you don't center the door this way. You matches the 32 inch from here, 32 inch from here to here, the edge of the door. So that's how it's supposed to be. So that's how I install it. And the door will not be looking center from the top here. See, the door will not be looking center from the top here, because I center it from here to here, not there to here. Okay, that's what I do. I put tape here, make sure the measure is correct. Before I try to drill hole. So what I'm trying to do is put 2 holes to secure, to align the door, and put 2 screws here and here, and check, make sure the alignment is correct. Finally, I'm screwing all those in. Put all the bolt in, finally. So make sure it's all close, no problem. Close, no problem. This is how that look like. Thanks for watching.